So we've got a question here, can you make this an 80-10-10 cheesy mac? Alright, here we got. We've got a little vegan thing here. It says it serves two. I think that's a bit of a joke. That does not serve two people. That is not two serves. What I did, I'll have that another time. I used some organic rice, alright? I put 3 cups in. 1 cup's about 700 calories, so I've got 3 cups for one person. It's 2100 calorie meal just for me. I'm going to use this bowl. Make up this little bit of sauce here, a bit of base. I'll probably run out and I'll use another sauce, but that's how you make an 80-10-10 cheesy mac. Very low fat. You've got your rice, you've got your carbs, got a bit of condiment here. It's pretty low in salt, so that's how you do it. 80-10-10 vegan cheesy mac in an instant. And I'll serve this up and I'll show what it looks like. So here we go, I've got my sauce in there. You can hardly see it, but it's in there. It's a cheesy mac organic rice. What can you eat your rice with during it? I'll take my rice with a fork. Put some fresh greens in these, a nasturtium, at least in the garden, give a bit of tang, a bit of vitamin C. You can have whatever sauce you want. I've got a mix of organic sauces here. All this stuff's pretty easy to get. You got like a sizzling Mongolian, spicy tomato, organic mirin, organic vegan Worcestershire sauce, Canton black bean, pineapple sweet sour, gluten-free sweet chili, organic sweet chili, Byron Bay mango sweet chili, a name I show you, and reduced salt barbecue. A lot of vegan options here. We're about giving people some real options, easy to get, affordable. This is affordable, easy to get. Definitely, very, very simple. And with my tip with salt is less is more. People might say that's a lot of salt. Well, it depends, you know. It depends. If you're quite a sedentary person, you're better off eating a low sodium diet. If you're athletic, you can handle a little bit more salt, but definitely less is more when it comes to salt. We don't need that much salt, so I use my condiments. I use them sparingly. But I love eating tasty food. So this stuff keeps me lean, it's flavorful, I love it. So I'm giving you a lot of options here. I could have 100 different condiments here. 100 different vegan condiments. Probably I could have 1,000 different vegan condiments here. Some of these are your local organic grocer or your local supermarket. Even the gas station will sell a lot of these condiments. So you can eat the 80-10-10 lean lifestyle anywhere you go. Quite easy, quite affordable. Post your comments and questions down below. I'm going to enjoy my little nasturtium rice meal. See you soon.